Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do. I got a digital Husky level for $10 when it's normally $50 at Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we're just going to do an unboxing real quick. I picked up this Husky 10-inch digital level from Home Depot. It is part number 934631. That's the SKU number. It's normally $49.99, I believe. I got it. It says it's 9-inch digital level, not sure why, but on the receipt. I got it for $10. I know for a fact it's normally $49.99, I believe. Got it for $10.89 because of 86 cents worth of tax. I just thought it would be a heck of a deal to show you guys. I did do a quick previous video on it, just showing it off real quick, giving, you know, a deal information. Today is November 16th, 2020. It's Monday. More than likely when you guys see this, it's going to be several months from now. Easy to read digital display for exact leveling. Hold feature allows angle to be easily transferred. Level sound and audible beep at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. At last memorized angle. Degree to percentage to rise to foot of run conversion function. Supplies, power, 2 AAAs, batteries not included. It does look like it has magnets in it as well. They're not extremely strong, but information. Alright. There is magnets. It's probably, they're not very strong because they're sunken in, but they're pretty nice. 2 AAAs. Actually, I got 2 AAAs in the bottom tray of the box. Alright. I do like the green light. The green light is very nice. Has a battery indicator at the top. Does have an angle. And this tray is not very level. It's kind of bent. See? Right there, it is quite level. The bubble is definitely off. Right there, it's off. Right there is level, right there. For the bubble. And it could be that, you know, this tray is crooked. I put a lot of weight on this tray. Hold. Percentage, degrees, inches and feet, degrees, yep, inches and feet. Has a reset button to reset the digital, on, off, volume. hold the on-off switch to turn it off. It is quite a nice little level, especially for $10. So I'm not going to complain for $10, especially since I didn't have to spend the $50 for it. And this is actually going to be my first digital level. I always wanted a bunch of different size digital levels. I just didn't want to pay the price for them when I was always getting the job done with my regular I-beam levels. You know, with the bubbles. You know, they always work. But for $10, yeah, give it a try. If I like it, I'll pick up, you know, either the Milwaukee or the Empire's versions. It's a nice aluminum level. I can't say too much about it other than that it looks like it works pretty well. I'll give you guys an update later down the road. Just wanted to take it out the box. Show you guys. Again, it is SKU number 934631. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys want to click on that link, if you guys need anything from Ulsa Tools, it gives you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back availability to get 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Just wanted to be short, sweet, to the point. Get the video done. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!